Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the desktop layout on the fandom.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, go to your home page, and then click on this profile button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then click on view profile. After that, tap on this button again and click on my preferences. Then you should tap on the appearance button at the top below preferences. Here you should scroll down a bit where you can find the desktop layout section. So here you should select the default layout for wiki pages, which is such as content width or right rail. So here you can select from these options, tap on the relevant ones, scroll down to the bottom and click on the save button at the down below to save all these changes. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.